Causes for land pollution. Land pollutant can be solid, liquid, or gaseous. They deteriorate high quality and mineral content of soil and disrupt the biological balance of organisms in the soil. Causes of land pollution include an increase in urbanization, domestic waste, dumping industrial waste on land, and improper agricultural activities. You can prevent land pollution by minimizing or eliminating waste at the source and substituting toxic option for hazardous material. My idea solves the land pollution by identifying the causes for land pollution. Tell me how you currently do. How is that process working for you? If you could do anything to improve your experience with what would be? What is the hardest part about it? What do you like, dislike about it? Customer number 1. Name of the potential customer: Siva. Occupation: garbage industry worker. Location: Karaikal. We are currently doing the land disposal method. It is easy method to dispose the waste. The area is fully covered with the garbage. Garbage remains open for a long period of time. This can lead to production of leachate. It includes low cost and minimum labor. Customer number 2. Name of the potential customer: Ramesh. Occupation: doing vermicomposting. Location: Karaikal. We are currently doing the vermicomposting. It is a natural method and eco-friendly. To make the process fast by the red worms for composting. The process of decomposition may take around 2 to 3 months. Yes, degradable waste is easily disposed of. Customer number 3. Name of the potential customer: Mariappan. Occupation: farmer. Location: Nedungadu. We are currently doing the potassium. It makes plant more resistant to disease and better able to tolerate stress. Use natural fertilizer instead of artificial fertilizers which make the pH of the soil rich excessively. Yes, plants are not affected by disease, therefore yield is more. There are many ways to prevent the land pollution, but implementation take bit expensive. If the regulation for disposal of waste can be strictly followed and proper disposal guidance followed means land pollution can be prevented. Following the rules and regulation for disposing the waste. Recycle and reuse the waste. Use eco-friendly materials. Get a better understanding of soil environment quality baseline. Develop necessary legislation of soil pollution control. Proper management of agricultural land and the practice of organic farming. Proper solid waste treatment. State policy that manage pollution sources. Embrace technological research and development. It's necessary to avoid land pollution, so it's expert huge marketing share for new technique for disposal in following years. To ensure sustainability in prevention and control of soil pollution. Research on soil pollution prevention and control should be advanced by strengthening technological research. The government should integrate the resources for various research institutions and universities to support relevant research on soil environmental capacity and ecological factor of soil contamination among other possibilities. The effort should also include promoting research on common technologies that relate to soil pollution diagnosis, research, and development of advanced data collection and mapping equipment and soil contamination risk management and control.